Have you ever walked into your garage, flipped on the lights, and still found yourself squinting in the shadows? You're not alone. Most garages are lit with outdated fluorescent or incandescent bulbs that flicker, buzz, and barely illuminate what you're working on. But here's the bigger issue. They're quietly draining your energy bill every single month. In this video, we're going to unpack how switching to LED garage lights, like these from Neatfi's car garage lights, can seriously lower your electricity costs, reduce maintenance, and completely change how your garage feels and functions. Let's start with the numbers most people don't think about. A standard 100-watt incandescent bulb may seem cheap at first, but if you run that light just 3 hours a day, you're using over 100 kilowatt hours of electricity in a year. At the average U.S. energy rate of around 15 to 20 cents per kilowatt hour, that's $15 to $20 annually for one bulb. Now imagine you have 4 or 5 of these in your garage. You're looking at nearly $100 a year, just for lighting that's barely doing the job. And that's not even factoring in the cost of replacing those bulbs every few months, or the frustration of dealing with flickering or burnout lights right when you're in the middle of a project. This is where LEDs come in. LED stands for light-emitting diode, and these modern lighting systems are designed to convert far more energy into light instead of heat. A 24-watt LED can produce the same brightness as a 100-watt incandescent bulb. That's a 75% energy reduction right out of the box. And unlike old bulbs, LEDs don't waste energy producing heat. That means your garage stays cooler in the summer, and your air conditioner doesn't have to work as hard. It's not just about saving power. It's about maximizing performance and comfort while working in your space. Let's break this down into real numbers. If you use 4 100-watt bulbs in your garage for 3 hours a day, you're consuming about 1.2 kilowatt hours of electricity each day. Multiply that by 30 days and 12 months, and you're at around 438 kilowatt hours annually. At 20 cents per kilowatt hour, that's about $87.60 a year. Now swap in 4 24-watt LED garage lights, and you're only using 105 kilowatt hours annually, costing you around $21 per year. That's a savings of over $60 per year. And if your rates are higher, or you use your lights longer each day, your savings could be even greater. That's money back in your pocket. But energy isn't the only thing you save. Let's talk about time and hassle. Traditional garage bulbs, especially fluorescent tubes, are notorious for short lifespans. They last anywhere between 1,000 and 8,000 hours, depending on quality and usage. Neatfi's LED garage lights, on the other hand, are rated to last over 50,000 hours. That's over 15 years of average use without needing a single replacement. No more dragging out the ladder, no more weekend trips to the hardware store. Just install it once and forget it. And here's something that often gets overlooked: the environmental impact. Many fluorescent and older bulbs contain mercury, a toxic element that requires special handling and disposal. If they break, they can release harmful vapors. LEDs, on the other hand, are mercury-free, last longer, and are fully recyclable. That means fewer bulbs ending up in landfills and a smaller carbon footprint overall. It's a small change in your home, but a powerful step toward a cleaner future. So here's the big picture. You'll use less energy, up to 80% less. You'll save money, up to $150 or more per year, depending on your setup. You'll spend less time replacing lights and dealing with flickering, and you'll make a cleaner, more sustainable choice for your home and the planet. If you're ready to upgrade your garage lighting and start saving today, check out the Neatfi's line of high-performance LED garage lights. They're bright, efficient, and built to last. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more lighting tips, and check the links in the description below to learn more. Thanks for watching. And remember, brighter garages lead to brighter ideas.